Hi there, my name's Catherine McKinnon. I'm an employment advisor with the Careers team. This is a short guide on how to use the Careers website, in particular the new Careers Vacancy portal, which both students and recent graduates can access. This is the front page of the Careers website. As you can see, there are lots of different ways in which career staff can help students. Have a look at these different tabs when you have the time. For today's purposes, we're going to be looking at the Careers Vacancy portal, which is our new system of advertising opportunities. These are jobs, graduate roles, part-time jobs, volunteering opportunities, and also placements and internships. We also have the opportunity for you to look at events, and also you can find out about the different organisations who are advertising with us currently. If you are a recent graduate from EHU University, you will still be able to access our opportunities. You need to go to the section where it says recent graduates and login registration. In the box below, instead of it saying, are you an employer, it will say register with us now, and the bar below is the one that you will click. Once you've done that, you can select your own username and password, and then you need to set your own preferences, i.e. the type of opportunities you're interested in receiving information about. Then you should be able to use the service. This is the login page. We are going to log in as a current student. You need to log in using your EHU credentials, including your student number. Let's go to the next slide. This is the front page of the new Careers Vacancy portal. As you can see, you've got a number of options open to you. You can find out how to email in a question, how to book on an event, how to book an appointment, to look at the opportunities, that's our jobs and volunteering opportunities, but we're not going to cover forms and pathways today. So the first thing we're looking at is opportunities. This is where you can find out about the jobs and our volunteering roles as well. Click on Search Opportunities. Once you're on there, you can find out about the various opportunities and jobs, vacancies and volunteering roles available. Just a reminder that part-time jobs can also be found on the front page of our website. So we've gone on to selecting the different opportunities. As you can see, you can choose graduate roles, part-time jobs, placement internships and volunteering roles. Right, now we're going to look at our events page. As you probably realised, due to the coronavirus, many actual events have had to be cancelled, and instead many employers have put on virtual events like careers fairs or webinars. So have a look and press this button. As you can see, we've now done the search for the different events that we've got. You should have a calendar of events in which you can choose which ones you'd like to participate in. Please remember that this is just what was live at the time I did this search. Having done that, you can select from your different subject area. You can see there there's quite a few accountancy ones there at the top. So it gives you a full idea of what's available. Right, here we are back up the front page of the Careers Vacancy portal. Now we're going to look at the organisations section. This is a quick way of finding out which of our employers and organisations have got current vacancies, finding out more about the organisation and what they offer, and also if they are doing any webinars or have any virtual events planned. So I've decided to search under Nestlé. Nestlé's come up, so then we move to the next slide. Here you are, here's Nestlé. You can see a bit of information about the company and what it does, and then underneath you have the current vacancies that were advertised at the time I did this search. They haven't got any presentations or events at the moment, but in this section to the right is where you'd be able to see these. This comes to the end of our presentation on the new Careers Vacancy portal. I've taken you back to the front page of the Careers website. Have a look at all the different ways in which we can help you. Please get in touch, and I hope you found this presentation to be useful. Thank you.